Good day, viewers and listeners. Welcome once again to Salida TeleRadyo of La Filipina National High School. I am your teacher host, Teacher Betsy L. Pisado. Today, you will learn the different measures of variability of ungrouped data. Lesson 1 in Grade 7 Mathematics, Module 6, Quarter 4. Are you all ready? Now, let's give the floor to our teacher broadcaster, Teacher Mark Tunic Circle.
Thank you, Ma'am Betsy. Good day, viewers and listeners. Welcome once again to Salida TeleRadyo of La Filipina National High School. I am your teacher broadcaster, Teacher Mark Tunic Circle. Before we start our lesson for today, let's have a review. Prepare your ballpen and papers. Are you ready? Let us try. Directions. Write the letter of the correct answer on your notebooks or answer sheets. I will give you 20 seconds to answer each question. Number 1. Calculate the range of the following set of data. 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 12. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C. Number 2. The variance and mean for a given set of data is 25 and 64 respectively. Calculate the standard deviation. A. 2.56, B. 5, C. 8, D. 625. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B. For number 3, the following are scores you shot in 5 rounds of golf. 70, 80, 75, 75, 80. The variance is A. 3.74, B. 196, C. 14, D. 70. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is letter C. For the items number 4 to 5, it refers to the data on the table below. There are 2 types of table. We have the age and the number. For the age, we have 25 to 34, 35, 44, 45, 54. And for the number, we have 3, 5, and 2. For question number 4, what is the standard deviation? A. 5.43, B. 6.43, C. 7.43, D. 8.43. Time is up. The correct answer is letter D. Number 5. What is the variance? A. 71.11, B. 72.11, C. 73.11, D. 74.11. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A. And now, let's proceed to our topic for today. Our topic for today is about the measures of variability of ungrouped data. For our objectives, we have define range, average deviation, variance, and standard deviation. Illustrate measures of variability of statistical data. And calculate the measures of variability of an ungrouped data. Let's find what is measures of variability or dispersion. It refers to the spread of the values above the mean. When a distribution has lower variability, the values in a data set are more consistent. However, when the variability is higher, the data points are more dissimilar and extreme values become more likely. For the range, it is considered as the simplest measure of variability. To compute the range of an ungrouped data, we use the formula of R is equal to H minus L, which is R representing for range, H for the highest, and L for the lowest. For the procedure in computing the range, first, identify the highest and lowest value in the set of the data given. Number 2, find the difference. For example, the heights in centimeters of 5 members of a blend family are 150 centimeters, 168 centimeters, 149 centimeters, 164 centimeters, and 148 centimeters. Find the range of the heights of a blend family. For the step 1, finding the highest and lowest data. H is equal to 159 cm, which is our highest data. L is equal to 148 cm, our lowest data. Step 2. Find the difference. Apply the formula of range is equal to highest minus lowest. 159 centimeters minus 149 centimeters. Our value of our range now is 11 centimeters. For the average deviation, to compute the average deviation of an ungrouped data, we use the formula of AD or average deviation is equal to the summation of absolute value of the deviation from the mean all over the n, or the number scores. Procedure in computing the average in deviation. Find the mean for all cases. Find the absolute difference between each score and the mean. Find the sum of the difference. Identify the value of n and find the average deviation. For example, find the average deviation of the following data: 12, 17, 13, 18, 18, 15, 14, 17, and 11. Find the mean. Add 12 plus 17 plus 13 plus 18 plus 18 plus 15 plus 14 plus 17 plus 11 divided by the number score, which is 9. 135 divided by 9 is equal to 15. 15 now is our mean. For the step 2, find the absolute difference between each score and the mean. Our first column, we have the score or the X. Our second column is mean, and the third one is mean minus score. The first column of score is 12, 17, 13, 18, 18, 15, 14, 17, and 11. For the mean, that is 15 all. Now, for the solution, The absolute or the means to remove of any negative sign is front of a number and to take all of numbers as a positive or 0. For the solution, we have x is equal to 12, or the absolute value of 12 minus 15 is equal to 3. We have x is equal to 17, or 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. X is equal to 13. 13 minus 15, the absolute value is 2. 18 minus 15 is equal to 3. 18 minus 15 is equal to 3 again. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. And 11 minus 15 is equal to 4. Step 3. Find the sum of the absolute difference and divide by n. Since there are total number of 9 score, then our n is equal to 9. Now, add the number or the data. 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 20, divided by the number score, which is 9. 20 divided by 9 is equal to 2.22. 2.22 now is our average deviation. For the standard deviation, to compute for the standard deviation of an ungrouped data, we use the formula of SD, or the standard deviation, is the square root of all the square deviation all over the n. For the procedure of computing the standard deviation, find the mean first. The second one, find the deviation from the mean. The third one is square the deviations. Number 4, add all the squared deviation. Number 5, identify the n or the number of scores. And number 6, compute the ST or standard deviation. For example, Jayon Batute grade are follows: 94, 97, 97, 98, 96, 95, 100, and 99. What is the standard deviation? First, find the mean. 94 plus 97 plus 97 plus 98 plus 96 plus 95 plus 100 plus 9 is equal to 776, divided by the number which is 8. 776 divided by 8 is equal to 97. So our mean now is 97. And now, there is a 3 columns. First is the x. The second column is find the deviation from the mean. And the third one is square the deviations. For the x column, we have 94, 97, 97, 98, 96, 95, 100, 99. For the find deviation from the mean, we have negative 3, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, negative 2, 3, and 2. For the square deviations, we have 9, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 9, 4. Add all the squared deviations. 9 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 28. If x is equal to 94, then 94 minus 7 is equal to negative 3. If x is equal to 97, then 97 minus 97 is equal to 0. If x is equal to 97 is equal to 97 minus 97 is equal to 0 again. If x is equal to 98, 98 minus 97 is equal to 1. 96 minus 97 is equal to negative 1. 95 minus 97 is equal to 2. 100 minus 97 is equal to 3. And 99 minus 97 is equal to 2. Thus, the deviations are negative 3, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, negative 2, 3, and 2. If the value of x minus mean or score minus mean follows are negative 3, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, negative 2, 3, 2, then the value of x minus mean squared are negative 3 squared is equal to 9, 0 squared is equal to 0, 0 squared again is equal to 0, 1 squared is equal to 1, negative 1 squared is equal to 1, negative 2 squared is equal to 4, 3 squared is equal to 9, 2 squared is equal to 4. Then, add all. 9 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 28. Now, identify the n or the number of scores. The data are as follows: 94, 97, 97, 98, 96, 95, 100, 99. Since there are 8 scores, then our n is equal to 8. Now, let us use the formula of standard deviation. The square root of 28 all over 8 is equal to 3.5. Then, get the square root of 3.5, that is 1.87. Our SD now is 1.87. For the variance, we use the formula of n is the total number of observations, x is the row score, and the mean of the data. For example, J.R. Bantilan grades are as follows: 98, 97, 99, 98, 96, 95, 100, and 99. What is the variance? So we have 28 divided by 8, that is 3.5. Our variance now is 3.5. Take note, standard deviation is the square root of variance. In the same way, variance is the square of standard deviation. Example, if your SD or standard deviation is 5, then your standard deviation squared is equal to 25. This is because SD squared is equal to 5 squared is equal to 25. And now, let us practice. Each number, I will give you 20 seconds to solve this. Find the range in the following set of data. Number 1, 15, 19, 7, 28, 32, 26. Time is up. The correct answer is 25. Number 2, 90, 220, 120, 160, 158. Okay, the correct answer is 130. Number 3, 11, 16, 18, 21, 28, 39. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is 28. Number 4, 12, 23, 45, 64, 13, 19. Okay, the correct answer is 52. Last number, number 5. 26, 35, 9, 120, 34, 10. Time is up. The correct answer is 111. For letter B, the user's squad got 46, 42, 53, 50, 48, 43, and 47 on their test. What is the average deviation, variance, and the standard deviation? So we have 46 plus 42 plus 53 plus 50 plus 48 plus 43 plus 47 divided by 7, that is, okay, the correct answer is 47. To tabulate, we have the table. We have the scores, the mean, and the score minus mean. So we have our first column of scores. We have 46, 42, 53, 50, 48, 43, 47. For the mean, we have 47 all. For the score minus mean, we have 47 minus 46 is 1. We have 47 minus 42 is 5. We have 47 minus 53 is 6. 50 minus 47 is 3. 48 minus 47 is 1. 47 minus 43 is 4. And 47 minus 47 is equal to 0. So our total mean minus a score is equal to 20. Now, 20 divided by 7 is equal to 2.85 or simply 2.86. That is our average deviation. For the standard deviation, we have the three columns. We have the x minus mean, and the x minus mean squared. We have 46, 42, 53, 50, 48, 43, 47. Then we have negative 1, negative 5, 6, 3, 1, negative 4, 0. Then the other one, for the third column, we have 1, 25, 36, 9, 1, 16, 0. So the correct answer is 88. So we have x minus mean is equal to negative 1, negative 5, 6, 3, 1, negative 4, 0. Then the value of x minus mean squared, or compute TST or standard deviation. We have the square root of 88 all over 7 is equal to square root of 12.571, or simply get the square root of 12.571 is equal to 3.54 or simply 3.55. For the variance, we have 88 all over 7 is equal to 12.57. And now, let's have a quiz time. Prepare your ball pen and paper. Direction. Answer the problem by encircling the letter of the correct answer. You may use the separate sheet of your solution. For letter A, Caballado Company measures each log they were able to cut off from the forest in the outcomes of the factory. The lengths in the meters of the first batch of 10 logs were 10, 15, 14, 11, 13, 10, 10, 11, 13, and 13. Number 1 question. I'll give you 20 seconds to answer this. What is the range of the given log lengths? A. 3, B. 8, C. 4, D. 5. Time is up. The correct answer is letter D. Number 2. What is the average deviation of the given length? Time is up. The correct answer is letter B. Number 3. What is the variance of the given data? Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Number 4. What is the standard deviation? Okay, the correct answer is letter C. For your assignment, the minimum distance in centimeter an archer has to shoot his arrow to get a gold or bullseye in 8 different targets are 420, 406, 420, 400, 430, 421, 402, and 429 centimeters. Show your solutions on your answer sheets as you compute for the number 1, range, number 2, the average deviation, number 3, standard deviation, 4, variance. Thank you for listening. This is your teacher broadcaster. I am Teacher Mark Tuning Sarkol, your teacher broadcaster for today.
That's great! Thank you, Teacher Mark, and thank you, viewers and listeners, for tuning in. I hope you have learned something new today. Once again, I am your teacher host, Teacher Betsy L. Pisado, saying, if math is hard and so is life, then get over it. Have a nice day. Bye-bye!